in the middle of having a literal heart attack. I just got this in from Dolls Kill. It's for my birthday shoot. It is even more amazing than I literally ever could have imagined. It's like glittery right here. These, I feel like a princess. I actually feel like there was like this game I used to play when I was a kid, and it had like earrings, and it was like made of this material. Someone leave it in the comments. I can't remember what it's called. But I feel like that's what this is reminding me of, that princess game. I cannot wait to do the shoot tomorrow. I'm literally obsessed with this. I mean, if you turn 30 and you wear this, like I'm telling you girls, you'll feel so much better. This is everything. I can't with these details. I'm literally like, I can't. I don't ever want to take it off. The train. Excuse the mess, but I just got a bunch of stuff from Shein. So I'm gonna make a really cute backdrop. So I got 2 white sheer backdrops. They were each, I think, like literally $3 or $4. I got 2 of these inspired by Carly Bible's 30th birthday shoot. I was literally obsessed with how she did it. So I literally can't wait to check those out and put them on my stand. And then I got 2 of those. And then I wasn't sure I would need more fabric, so I bought a pink one. This one also like literally $2 or $3. I'm really ridiculous and I probably won't even use this. Well, this I might put on the cupcake. There's like a star one that's really cute. And then, yeah, so I'm really ridiculous, and I actually got crown from Shein. Actually really decent quality. I was kind of shocked. The reviews were good. There was hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of reviews on this crown from Shein. It's really beautiful. I highly recommend already. I haven't even tried it on. It comes with some bobby pins. I am absolutely excited. I don't want to take this off. This is everything. Super excited. I can't wait to show you guys how this comes out, honestly. All right, so I'm gonna show you the setup. This I got at Walmart. It is a backdrop holder, and we're going to slide all the materials on that end and watch it come to life. Tried to make a little setup here, just with some cute things. I might actually get rid of those flowers, but just set 2 rugs. They're from Five Below. I got that little stool at Home Goods, West Elm, Crate and Barrel, and this was from At Home a while back. See, without my little candles. Yeah, definitely getting rid of that. But yeah, I just think it'll be cute, hopefully. So much, babe. I last minute am having him blow up all the balloons last minute before he leaves for work. But how cute are they? I feel like they are making the whole scene, honestly. So. My friend Cass made me these amazing cupcakes for the shoot, and I'm absolutely obsessed. You're such a doll. I literally love you so much. Okay, and then she got me these amazing, you guys, I'm turning 30. This is real. These amazing little candle things. She just fulfilled all my dreams and requests. You're amazing, Cass. I love you. Right, so the outfit is on. I'm super excited. This is such an affordable, easy thing to do. I think the most expensive thing was literally my outfit, and you basically have yourself a vlogger birthday. I'm really excited to get to shooting. I will show you some footage of that as well, and then I seriously can't wait to show you the finished product. Obsessed with how this is coming out. So I saw, actually on Carly Bible's post, she had just like a table full of just like really, really cute sparkly, fun, girly items. So that's what I did. I'm super excited, and I've got my friend here, excuse my messy house, but Tony, and we are getting the lights set up. This is like real talk. I can't believe I'm turning 30. Like, it's just so weird during everything that's going on, the pandemic. It's just been so stressful. So I thought I was ahead of the game, and I booked an Airbnb for like me and all of my girls. And then I reached out to the host, and I was just like, hey, I just want to let you know in advance, I was thinking about having some girls over for like a big charcuterie and cake. And she was basically like, no. Usually so ahead of the game for my birthday, things are planned, like it's easy going. And this year I feel like I don't even care. We're gonna make the best of it, and this shoot is kind of like just something that's really exciting me and making me really happy. Someone's calling me. The shoot is gonna be something that I will remember forever because it's just so exciting to do, and I'm just having like a little princess 5-year-old moment. But 30, here we go. Woo!
Sorry, because your legs hurt, something like that. But yep. Right.
They hurt. I like the cupcake.
Oh, that's cute. What about?
Oh.
Oh, Mary. So take a piece of it with your finger, and you're just gonna. You're not gonna put you're gonna pretend to put yeah. Yes, queen. Yeah. Look at me. Yeah. How about a wink?
I know how to wink. I can, but like not sexy.
Yeah.
Oh wait, yes I can.
I was gonna say, come on, you. Do it.
Absolutely not. Yeah.
Yeah, from right here, it's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, so congratulations to your first 1,000 and your kickoff, and a good job, and somewhat of an early birthday.
Wow. I didn't even open it yet. It's just so cute.
Hey, I gotta get this
I'm so excited.
just for her, your sister. Because she already said something.
I'm super excited. Is this what you're supposed to do? I honestly, I like love this wrapping, and I'm like nervous. Yes! Oh my god. I'm so excited. Thank you. My new microphone, I've been needing a microphone, so you're gonna be hearing me a lot more clearly like next. I love it. Thank you, babe. Happy 30th birthday to me. Quarantine 30th, so love it. Things are coming along perfectly. My boyfriend is hilarious and made a little mini fridge out of our luggage, but I can't even tell you how amazing this is. So that's the setup. Then we have my amazing best friend Allie on a mission to make me the world's cutest charcuterie board because she's a saint and she's the best friend ever. Say hi, Allie. She's also my manager. These cookies, oh my god. I'm dead. I'm dead. Olivia, I can't believe you kept this from me. I don't know how you did it. Oh man. These are the best wishes and warmth. Fold in the cheese. Ew, David. I honestly think though, this is my favorite one. I don't know. It's just so unbelievable. Board by Allie Michael. I can't even capture the beauty of this charcuterie board.
This comes to life after so much prepping is just like the most rewarding feeling.
friends. I'm so grateful for all of you. You guys have done so much for me. I can't even believe it. I'm just standing here awkwardly with my balloons, but I'm so thankful. I'm just so grateful, and this is going to be so much fun, and I can't wait for all the memories and footage for tonight.
Yay. Ooh, girl.
How does my sister know me so well?
I don't know because
Melina,
Allie told me that
sister.
you wanted them. The day after I told her that I was getting you them, she was like, wait, Mary came over and showed
They're
me
like
them.
the everlasting roses.
I'm dying.
Melina.
Oh my god.
Hey, see what I said? Say that.
Look at how cute.
So cute.
I just want to cheers to Mary. Happy birthday. Thank you for accepting me into your family. And I can promise you that your 30s are the best years of your life from experience.
We've been through so much, and you know that we will
Higher.
never,
Higher.
ever not be friends.
Yes.
And
You
you
mean
will
so much
always
to me.
be a part of my life. Yes. And you are amazing. And don't ever forget it. And I love you so much.
It's reminding me of the scene of Bridesmaids. Wait,
And then he's like, keep switching them. Right. We've been friends for way too long. I would agree. We've lived together for way too long. in life.
My longest roommate.
Longest
And
roommate.
only roommate, really.
All I have to say is you're a lot weirder than you let on.
I fucking love you.
Love it.
Cheers to Jackie. So fun. I love you so much. I think this is our 12th birthday together. I've literally been with you for over a decade now. I'm just like standing by your side. You giving me the best advice through everything. Literally, like, I love you so much. I don't know what I would do without you. Like, I feel like we have been through every stage together. Like, I met you when I was 12 years old. You were 19, and now I'm 23, and you're turning 30. Literally over a decade. And I just love you so much, and thank you so much for our friendship. Like, you just mean everything.
Mary, thank you for always making me feel so beautiful, and all of your clients appreciate how beautiful you always make them, so thank you.
Oh, I love it. Thank you for my cake. It was amazing.
I was blessed with the best fucking sister anyone could ever have.
I agree.
I know that there's no other better sisters out there. Sorry guys, but like I don't know what else to say really. I am
It's
blessed.
the truth. I wish Mary was my sister.
I love you so much. I love you so much. I wouldn't be who I am without you at all. You're literally like half of me. At least. The other half is like style, but like mostly you. And I get all my like style tips from our YouTube channel, Mary Dominique. Don't forget to subscribe. And I just love you so much, and you know how proud I am of you. I don't really need to like you.
I love my sister.
I haven't known you as long as half of all these other guys. But I feel like we're getting so close, and I'm so happy to have been in yours and Melina's lives.
I know.
and
I still think it's so crazy how we all met. But.
You're literally the most fashionable person I've ever met in my life. You're literally like Sharpay Evans, but we're not.
That is so true.
And
I love her.
and just like boss
Just need
this
to
out.
tank
That's
top.
all I have to say.
Bridget and I met Melina and Alex.
They were walking by me and Matt kind of go, "You guys are hot."
Yeah, that's what
And we're like,
That's
oh my
literally how
god,
all this happened.
Yeah, so we met Melina and Alex that way, and I'm just glad that you guys were kind of a package deal, and we got to be friends with you too.
Literally, I feel like you
I'm
guys.
glad you walked that street that day, okay?
Okay, here it goes, last one.
Wait, I can actually like.
I want to cry too! Okay.
Ellie, no!
Okay, I don't know where that came from. Our friendship started 15 years ago, but I was her backstop.
And I was like, do not put Allie behind me.
I was
I
like-
don't trust her.
Strong
She got back. She was like, I got this. I got this. Mary. I was like, okay, I did it. I trusted you right after you said I got this. I was like, okay.
Thank you for being the things you said. Thank you for doing my hair. Thank you for being the best aunt.
Okay, now I'm gonna cry.
And I'm so proud of everything you've accomplished this last year. And I don't know why we're crying. It's the champagne.
like it's so stressful and so fast.
No.
Like all of our Skypes and like hours and hours. And this is just so fun. Thank you for 20 thumbs over.
Everything you do.
Right.
I love you so much.
You guys are amazing.
Oh,
Cheers.
What am I thankful for? I'm thankful for everything that you do for me, of course. How much you take care of me.
Aww.
Love you. Thankful for how much you keep me calm and make my blood boil at the same time.
Like all relationships.
And very thankful for being able to go to sleep with confidence and waking up with a smile every day.
Aww.
Yay.
Cheers.
You haven't tried this.